Good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss illustration number 5 from B.B.Dam book Partnership Fundamentals H.S. 2nd year AHSEC syllabus. Okay, so here you see what is given in illustration number 5. Okay, Arun and Barun are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Their capitals at the end of the financial year 2021 were rupees 1 lakh and rupees 50,000. So here closing capital is given, okay, of Arun and Barun, that is 1 lakh and 50,000. Arun had brought additional capital of rupees 15,000 on July 1, 2020. So in the middle of the year, only Arun has introduced additional capital of rupees 15,000. During the year 2021, Arun's drawings were 10,000 and the drawings of Barun were rupees 5,000, which had been duly debited to partners' capital accounts. So their drawings was 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. Profit before charging interest on capital for the year was rupees 20,000. Okay, so before interest is charged, profit of the year was rupees 20,000, and this 20,000, okay, you see the same had also been credited to their capital accounts in their profit sharing ratio. So in the capital accounts of the partners, this profit has been credited in the profit sharing ratio of 3:1. Okay, so calculate interest on capital of the partners at the rate 88% per annum for the year ended on 31st March 2021. So it has been asked to calculate interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum. Okay, for the year ended 2021. So here you see closing capital is given. Now, in order to calculate interest on capital, we need opening capital. Okay, so we have to calculate the opening capital. You see here I have written, okay, in order to calculate interest on capital of the partners at the rate 8% per annum at the end of the year, capital in the beginning of the year is required. Okay, so let us solve the sum. You see here statement showing calculation of capital at the beginning of the year. Now what is the capital at the end of the year? 1 lakh and 50,000. Okay. So with that we have to add up drawings. Okay. Then you see, because capital and drawings are taken out by the partners from the business. Okay. So these are not capital of the business. Okay, these are capital of the partners. Okay, capital at the end of the year and drawings. So with that we have to deduct profits, which is 20,000, and it is shared amongst the partners in the ratio of 3:1. Okay, so this profit has to be deducted because this is a portion of profit, okay, which is left over in the business. Okay, so this is the capital of the business, so you have to deduct this amount. Okay, because capital of the partners is going to be taken out, less additional capital, which is on July 1, 2020, 15,000 only for Arun. Barun has not introduced any additional capital, so that you have to deduct. So capital at the beginning of the year is 80,000 and 50,000. So this is the capital of the partners at the beginning of the year. Okay. Now you see calculation of interest on capital as on 31st 3, 2021. So for Arun, on rupees 80,000 at the rate 8% per annum for 1 year, it is 6,400. And additional capital was introduced on July 1, 2020. That is for 9 months, it is 900. For Barun, it is for 1 year, so it is 4,000. Got it? I hope you have understood this sum. Okay, it's not done in the this one. It's not very easy. Okay, so you have to calculate the capital at the beginning of the year. Okay, so you have to work hard for this sum. Okay, so I hope you have understood my explanation. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.